Introduce to you C programming array of group first. Actually group 5. Okay, first of the group of member belong to
My name is Muhammad Nazrin bin Nasir Zaman. My metric number is 1844995.
Okay, you may sit down. Okay, so second member from our group is
Hello, my name is Syahril bin Turung. My metric number is 1844154. Bye.
Okay, there is a little bit mistake. Okay, the third one is goes to
Okay, hello. My name is Muhammad Aiman Nur bin Wakidin. My metric number is 183401.
Okay, thank you very much. The fourth one is goes to
My name is Muhammad Syamil bin Adam Majid. Metric number 185162. Thank you.
next. Fifth one is
Wait, fifth.
Okay, so my name is Muhammad Farhan bin Azmi. My metric number 182756. That's all.
okay. The cutest one goes to
My name is Muhammad Syawal Hamzah bin Kamal Azmi. My metric number 183871.
Okay, that's all from us. I hope that you will enjoy from our introduction and C programming array.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahril. Okay, let's take a look about actually what is array. Array is actually a programming language that provide data structure called array. Array is like when we want to save data. Okay, when we make only five data and then we can save only 5 data in the C programming. You see that it can store a fixed size in a collection of elements. Okay, how many variable you want to save? For example, in our coding, we want to save a contact number, 3 number, and then array we will hold 3 number only in the programming. Next. Okay, for example, we see that this is the coding example in C programming. First, we declare integer age, and then we, for example, array we want to save 5. Then the program will make like 4 column, and then we save the number here 1, 2, 3, 4. How much number is depend to you, but actually the array will just follow what you want to save. Not only number, character may be saved also. Next, for example, that's character. We put CODE and others. If you want to save more than 100, you just blank the bracket array here, and then you can save many type of character. If you want to limit it 5, write it 5, and then you will only can put the element 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next. Okay, this is for example array in 2 dimensions. For example, we make 8 column. This is we call column and row. The column is here, here, and then the row is here. Okay.
Okay, hello everyone. I would like to share with you about pseudocode. Okay, at first I want to talk about circle. Circle is the set of instruction that we made before we make a program. Circle is cannot execute in computer, but it make more understanding for the programmer. So at first we must set contact an array that have 10 space for to input the value in the storage as integer. So at first we should print enter the contact number because we need to input the contact number. Then we make a for statement. Okay, for the for statement is for a loop. Okay, for the first loop, from the previous data, if array we enter 10 limit number. So for the first loop, it will the increment will limited until 10 number. So it will looping until 10 number, and then input the array will print out. That for the end of the loop 1. Okay. Before I forgot, we have 10 space for array. For if the space we have more than 10, it also execute, but we can get the result, but the result is not equal what the answer is not what I want. The answer is wrong. This cause we call that fatal error. Like that. So it get and print array space I, right? So this will print the contact number. What we want the contact number. If we want 4, we will print out 4 like that. That's all.
Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to introduce to you about the flowchart of the C programming in array. Okay, first we are going to start with this start. Then we put the integer array, which is in the bracket is 10. Okay, next.
We declare I and contact. After this, after that print enter how many contact number. This function to ask user to enter how many contact number, and after that we scan contact for store the contact. After that enter the contact number to ask user also. This is initialize I equal 0.
Okay, the function that we show it 10 because in array if we put it 10 in the bracket, it cannot exceed more than 10, such as cannot exceed than 11 or 12 or more, because when we say there is until 10, the input must be not more than 10. It must be 9 and below. Okay. About the printf, enter how many contact number. If we want to put 4, it will be declare for the 4 contact number only. Okay. Next.
Okay, we use looping for scan the contact number. Looping, and ni is increment. So looping. If we enter the 4 contact number, so
It will loop until it reach 4 total of contact number.
If truth is looping, is false, it will print the contact number R. So enter one again looping to print the contact number that we store in array.
Before this. Okay. About this loop, it will stop until if we declare that there is only 4 that we put the contact number. It will loop until the total of complete of 4. Then it will print the contact number up. Then it will show the list of 4 contact number. Okay, after it show the list of 4 contact numbers, then we gonna look again, like Sir Shawal said just now. It will be loop until complete of 4 total of contact numbers. Then if we say reach the total of 4 contact number, it will stop. That's the end of the program.
Okay, today I will show you the code that we have do, the example of code. Our code is about entering a phone number. So, okay, first we declare array, and we declare the size of array is 10. And then next is we declare I and contact. Next is the next line is for the program to instruct the user to enter how many contact number that the user want to put. Next, the input that the user will put into the program. Okay, next, printf, enter the contact number. This one is for the program to instruct the user to input the contact number. Okay. Next, we enter the loop. For I equal to 0 is the initialization. I is smaller than contact is condition, and then I plus plus is increment. This one scan f %d and array I. That means when we put contact here, how many we want to put? Example like 4. The loop will repeat it until 4 times, and we put the phone number. Next is printf, the contact number are blah blah blah. It means that this one, the loop is for showing the list of number that we have put. Example like we put here 0123, 0125, 0126, 0127, and then here it will list out all the number that we have put, and then return 0 is to end the program. So I will show you how the program will work. Sorry. Okay. First, the program will tell us and enter how many contact number we want to put. For example, 3. And then the program will print out, enter the contact number. So here we will enter the contact number that we want to put. Example like this. Yeah. Okay, another one. So, as we said, the looping that we declare as 3. Right here. When we enter here 3, the program will read here I is smaller than 3. That means it will loop until 3 times. It will ask us to enter the number for 3 times, and then can you show the program? enter the full screen right now.
Where's that? Wait.
Escape. Press escape.
Oh yes.
After that.
Okay. Yeah. Wait. Maybe first. Okay.
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 Okay. When we enter the number, when we put the number here 3, then we just it will ask us to put 3 number here. If we put 5, and then we will continue until 5 number, and then it will show the list of number that we have put. So I think that's all for the program. Thank you.
Since the day of time, regretting the time you lost, it's empty and cold without you here. Too many people to wake over. I see my vision burn, I feel my memories fade with time, but I'm too young to